All right, guys, so it's time to take the iPhone XR and give it a kind of a full review for the camera. And the way I do it is go out, shoot some video and footage of things around the neighborhood, just out and about driving. So we're gonna go ahead and take this thing out. This is the front camera right now, and then we'll get into the rear camera because that's where it's all about, the rear camera. Front camera does shoot in 1080p at 60 FPS, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So let's get into the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy it. All right, so the iPhone XR's camera obviously shoots very well, 4K and 60 FPS. Most people don't shoot in 4K 60 FPS, but I think it's beautiful. I'll continue to do it as long as I can. I would prefer to shoot in 4K and 60 FPS on a phone, something I can get a lot more use out of, than to buy a camera that has 4K 60 FPS. It's gonna cost some grip. Anyway, it's a very windy day out, so I'll let you probably listen to some tunes or something and check out the video. All right, folks, so there's a little bit of footage out in the spot where I was starting to shoot at. Now, I think the camera on this thing is actually pretty good. This is more footage from the front camera. So let's go out front and shoot that same area I always shoot. I know. Let's get it. We'll close this video out. All right, folks, closing out the video. This camera is awesome, man. Video recording with an iPhone nowadays is actually really good. For 750 bucks, if that's what you're gonna pay, I mean, the quality that you're getting from this camera, it exceeds all expectations, if you're wondering. At least for me, it does. When I have these phones, I love to shoot in 4K at 60 FPS, because I just think it really shows off. 1080p at 60 FPS is actually great, but shooting at 4K at 60 FPS from a smartphone, you think about where we've come from. I've recommended a lot of cameras to people, but if you have a phone, this is one of the better phones for video recording. If you like 60 frames per second footage. This entire video was shot and edited on the iPhone XR. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll check that zoom before I get out of here, because this one doesn't have a telephoto lens, so let's get into it. There you go. That's about 4 times zoom all you get at 4K. That's super clear though. Windy day, but we got to get it done. See you in the next video.